insulin resistance, where the glucose is in the bloodstream and it can't get into the cells, which causes hyperglycemia, high levels of glucose in the system, which can damage a lot of things, and high levels of insulin because the pancreas keeps secreting more. When we look at the way that Western medicine approaches this, with drugs and surgeries, we've had people who go, my blood sugar was a little high. The doctor told me to come back in 6 months. And if it was still high, they'd give me a drug. When we approach it with medications, it's just like taking the battery out of the smoke detector when it goes off in the middle of the night, because the symptoms are giving you a sign that, hey, not everything is good inside. What do you need to do? What can you do to fix it? So why do we have this? Well, how many people are stopping at Krispy Kreme on the way to work or something like that and getting croissants and donuts and bagels? They think if they get a whole wheat bagel, they're doing better. And they are doing better than a chocolate-coated, sugar-coated donut, but not much. And they're drinking their coffee with their cream and their lattes and all that sort of stuff. So the way that people are eating, the average person eats enough sugar in a year to fill a dumpster. 150 pounds of sugar is the average. And there's very, very little in the way of green leafy vegetables, et cetera. So we really need to upregulate the diet.